Hi everybody. Welcome to my channel. Appreciate you coming to visit with me. Today I want to do a straight pour on this canvas. I did a pour on it before and it turned out so dark. I'm not happy with it. So I'm going to reuse my canvas. Not real easy to get canvases right now because everybody's closed. I'm in Michigan and our state is closed down until the end of April. So what I have here is this is a Prism Violet. Just want to show you the consistency. It's thin, just kind of leaving a tiny mound. And then I have some of my 24 karat Extreme Sheen Gold. I have some metallic berry. I have a little bit of this neon green left over and a little bit of turquoise left over. So I'm going to use those in my cup and see what kind of straight pour we can get. This is a 12 inch by 12 inch canvas. So what do I want to see on top? I think I might want to see some of this neon green on top. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in, about half of it. And I was going to put a little bit of white in here, and I didn't get that out. Here's my white. A little bit, not a lot, because the white always tends to take over. And then some of the Extreme Sheen. 24 karat gold. Oh my goodness, I just dribbled it. That's okay. All right. We'll go with some Prism Violet. Try not to tip that one the same way. Some of the turquoise. Save a little bit for later. Some of the metallic berry. Such a rich color. I love it. Put some white next to that. And then I'm going to go around one more time. Use up what's left of this neon green. Starting to run out of a few colors. Like I said, I can't get to the craft store because they're closed. So I'm going to have to just use what I have here. And the rest of that gold. Let's scrape this out a little bit. Let's see, scrape out this green as well. There's a little bit of that left. May as well use it all up. And then the Prism Violet. Clean out that cup. And end it off with what's left of my turquoise. And these paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. I don't have any silicone in them. So any cells that we see created are going to come just from the different types of paint. I have two metallic paints here. One is the berry, the other is the 24 karat gold. I know the 24 karat gold creates cells. Not 100% sure of if the berry does or not, but we'll see. Get that in there. And kind of take this blob that I made, bring it towards the center, and we'll use that as our starting puddle. So here we go. And I'm just going to do a straight pour. And I'm watching the center so my hand doesn't shake too much. Making just some nice little ribbons. I can already see cells in the cup from the gold, so that's pretty cool. I think we might lose that neon green a little bit. And some of it coming out. Some interesting little ribbons here. To the center. Okay. Ooh, it's pretty. I love that prism violet. Love, love, love it. It's so pretty. All right. Let's start out giving this a torch before I stretch it. Get some of the air bubbles out. I might be running out of gas a little bit here. Okay. Okay. Stretch this down. Bring it to that corner first. All the way down. I'm just going to catch it with my hand. Bring it right back up. Bring my paint back to the center. Go over to this corner. Try and turn so that you don't have that glare. Right hand down. Bring it back on. Bring all that back down to the center. Sorry. Oh, it's so shiny. I love the little lines it creates in the center. When you pour it out like that, it comes out in little ribbons. Bring it down to this corner. Turn. Bring that paint back to the center a bit. And then we'll cover this last corner here. right on down, just like that. Okay. Some really cool lines right here. They're just like shadow lines. I love them. Very pretty. All right. Oh, what do I want to move? I don't like this right here very much. So maybe I can tilt some of that down. Loving these green lines in here. There's not a lot of paint left on there, so it's moving slowly. Ever so slowly. Open it up a little bit this way. All right. Oh, it's pretty. So bright down here. Okay, guys. I'll bring the camera in so you can get a close-up. I hope you enjoyed this. I wish you could see how sparkly it is because it is really, really shiny. Give it a torch because I'm seeing a couple air bubbles here. And I have to fill my torch. Okay. Take my gloves off and I'll get the camera down and give you a close-up. Here we go. Some of those really cool cloudy little spots. I want to say thank you to everybody for coming and watching my video. I appreciate it. I hope you're having fun and being creative if you're off work and have to be stuck at home. I've been making the most of it and working remotely. A little more time to myself this way. It's kind of nice. So here we go. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Appreciate that. Have a good day. I'll catch you next time. Bye.